It's going. He likes broccoli.
I gotta get him a shot of that.
Got some more broccoli?
If you can get him with it in his mouth like that again.
Did you see me with the geckos?
Yes, I did. That was great.
Can you? I told Diana last night.
Gotta have your greens.
The photos that are taken when I am with her or thinking about her seem to be much cuter than average.
That was insane.
You are ridiculous. Are you the silliest kid ever?
Yeah, I think he is.
Can I
It's
have that
broccoli.
Can I have that broccoli?
Okay, get her still. Come back.
You realize that has to go on YouTube.
It'll be there by 4 tonight.
Yeah. Here's Cat.